This 2018 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1700BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 20 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, external shower, smoke detector, water heater, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1700BH is 3,010 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.